most people that we know are going to enter their engagement with Level 12 in our sales process. Our sales process is very low pressure. It has to be, because you're not going to sell $100,000, $150,000, $250,000 software project to somebody who doesn't need it. We're not in the convincing business. Software development is really primarily about discovery, and so is our sales process. We're really just trying to talk to people about their problem, understand what their context is, and figure out if Level 12 and custom software is a good solution to that problem. Our CEO, Dale, Royce, myself, as soon as any of us are involved, we're usually quickly trying to set up a meeting to meet somebody, just understand, hey, who are you? What are you doing? Why do you think software might be a solution for what you're looking to do? And then that discovery process continues sometimes with a more technical meeting. That's usually where I'm brought in. And then it can move even into an engineering phase. And sometimes, depending upon the scope of the project, we'll do all of those things before any contract signed or any money needs to be exchanged. If the project is really big and the engineering phase is going to take more than just a couple of hours to understand and throw some rough ideas together to get them a ballpark. If it's obviously a really complex project, then we're going to need to spend more time on that, and we'll usually engage a client in a formal engineering phase. But a lot of times for smaller projects, we can get a rough ballpark of where we think the project's going to be, so that they can understand whether or not there's going to be ROI for them in that ballpark. And if not, we're not wasting their time anymore. We said that one of the pillars that makes up the core value proposition of Level 12 is the really strong tie we have with the customer. We've also called that customer empathy. My long-term value is not in, the 2 hours or the 2 days that I personally sit down and talk with somebody. It's in helping them to understand we can do their job, assuming we can. If not, I'll tell them that. And then, taking that knowledge and eventually transferring that to my team, where then my team can pick up that project and actually run with it and go get it done, and continue that process of learning and digging and making sure that we're building the right thing.